Me again, Daryl. I'm back in my shop, working on the truck again. It's Friday night. I'm done work. It's 5 o'clock, 5:30-ish or so, and I'm out here. I am gonna get back at the truck. Not gonna work super late tonight because I gotta get 6:30 tomorrow because I'm gonna go look at a early 70s Bronco that's sitting in the field someplace for the last 40 years. We'll see how that is. Anyway, so back at it. What I'm doing tonight is I'm going to be working at this kick panel on the inside. As you remember yesterday, I bit that zigzag on it, that 90/90 on it. I trimmed the floor back so I can fit it in there. So I actually want to trim this down a little bit more because I want to slide it that way a bit more. And then I'll cut the profile at the bottom, and it's got this funky, see here, I don't know if you can see it in there, but it bends up right about here or so. So I'm gonna do that. Yep, I'll give you an update in a wee bit. So I thought I'd show you in between the fabrication. You can see I got all those clamps holding my panel in place. From inside you can see, so I had the jog, and what I've done is I sliced it on the back side here, very long, because it's got to curve upwards. This perspective looks worse on it. And if you look at it from this side, so you can see why I've done that. You can see here, the panel comes inward, so it goes flat from this side, and then here it dives in. So I will flatten this piece down, and then this one over top, and then weld the two together and grind it flat. That's the idea anyways. The reason I have lots of clamps is because it's such a hard push on the piece that I'm afraid that it would warp it in other dimensions that I do not want. Yeah, so so I'll get back at that, and I'll show you in a little bit how it turns out. So quick little update on the kick panel fabrication. I think it's coming along quite well. I've been moving clamps around and pulling it out and pounding. So you see I got that curved in feature going fairly well. It sits up flush with the panel for the most part, and up there similarly. And then I got the dimple for the lower mounting of the fender. It's not formed exactly the way it should in the back, but I think it's really close. Let me back up so you can see it. You can see it there now. I'm pretty happy with it. And then on this side, you can see I got the, it's hard to see, but I got the little divot down there which tapers away to flat. And if I look at it here, I don't know if you can see it from here. No, it doesn't show very well from here, but yeah, panel fits in. Oh yeah, there you can see it now. Comes right to the bottom of the drawer, the outer rocker is. Yeah, I think I'm happy with it. You can see this open space here. I'm actually going to trim it across here. Always put a little bit more material than you need, and then trim it off later. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Not bad for an evening of pounding away. So I'm going to keep going and see if I can get that welded in tonight. Okay, I am about to call it quits for the night. I think I did okay. This is the inner kick panel that I fabricated. You can see the groove in this side and the pocket there, and as well as the kick down there. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Not bad. You know, I am pretty new with this stuff. And I'll show you the inside. So I've cut out some of the old panel. Here, let me get a light. It's a lot easier to see when we get a light. I know I have a light someplace. Maybe I don't have a light. Huh. I seem to have misplaced my light. Hello. Oh, there it is. It was right where I left it. So, there we can see the kick panel and the pieces. So this is what's left. This is the outer rocker. and then it comes up from the kick panel. You see here, comes down, goes down and down, connects here, comes along, and then back up. And then the inner panel, inner rocker, you can see from here, goes along, and it goes on top of that. Here, let me throw this in here. This is the piece I fabricated. It fits right in there, fairly snug. Nice fit there at the bottom. And it's good along the sides, etc. I'm gonna trim it down. I don't need it as tall as it is. Yeah, but it's late and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna call it quits for tonight. And I fitted that panel up with the outer rocker. Fits like a glove. It really does. Fits really well. So I'm pretty happy with that. And I cleaned up a bit tonight. Not that you can tell a whole lot, but I did. Yeah. So that's it for tonight. Friday, December, whatever it is. And I'll be back tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna go look at an early 70s Bronco, which is pretty cool. Hopefully it's not too rusty. It would be a great project in the future. So I'm gonna look at that tomorrow morning and I'll let you know, post photos. But tomorrow afternoon, I will definitely back at this and I'm gonna weld in that kick panel and then we'll go from there. Probably the cab support. Anyways, all right, good night.